On June 12, 1995, Josh Lee found a radio fused with a table inside of the hallways. It had played an unknown audio when he pressed a button. Our team has decided to take the radio and bring it back to B.O.E.R research facility, and we connected it to one of our computers and we tried to play an audio, but it came out distorted.
Okay, you got it? Alright. Okay, I need to ask you, like, where exactly, like, Josh, where exactly did you find this radio at?
So we should go into that back area. Then we could probably like map out the area.